India hydrogen train latest news. Indian Railways has successfully tested its first hydrogen-powered coach at the Integral Coach Factory, ICF, in Chennai, marking a major step towards launching India's first hydrogen-powered train. This eco-friendly initiative supports India's goal of cutting greenhouse gas emissions and boosting renewable energy use. The project, now in its final stage, is undergoing equipment testing before commercial rollout. Using hydrogen, a clean fuel, will help reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Only a few countries have attempted such projects, most of which remain in the trial phase. Indian Railways Hydrogen Train Project, key details. Launched by Northern Railway in 2020-21, the hydrogen train project involves converting two 1,600 horsepower (HP) diesel power cars into hydrogen fuel cell-powered units. The project also includes setting up a hydrogen storage and fueling facility at Jind, Haryana, with a storage capacity of 3,000 kilograms of hydrogen. The Research Design and Standards Organization, RDSO, is leading the design, testing, and validation. The converted train, comprising 10 coaches and capable of carrying over 2,600 passengers, will operate between Jind and Sonpat in Haryana, covering 2 daily round trips of 356 kilometers. How India's first hydrogen train will operate safely. Indian Railways hydrogen train project involves retrofitting 2 diesel power cars with hydrogen fuel cell systems, each storing 220 kilograms of hydrogen in specially designed cylinders at 350 bar pressure. Given hydrogen's highly flammable nature, multiple safety measures have been built in, including pressure relief valves, leak and flame detection sensors, temperature monitors, and optimized ventilation systems. Computational fluid dynamics, CFD, studies have been conducted to simulate worst-case leak scenarios. Extensive testing of key components like the traction and auxiliary converters has been completed. To ensure global safety standards, German firm TÜV has been brought in as an independent safety auditor, while the engineering is led by Meda Servo Drives at ICF Chennai. Hydrogen fueling facility at Jind, backbone of India's hydrogen train project. A dedicated 3,000 kilograms hydrogen fueling facility is being established at Jind in Haryana to support the operation of India's first hydrogen-powered train. The storage is split into 2 parts: 2,320 kilograms at low pressure and 680 kilograms at high pressure. The facility will function under the safety norms and specifications of the Petroleum Explosive Safety Organization, PESO, ensuring strict adherence to national standards. Northern Railway is also developing supporting infrastructure, including power supply lines, access roads, and a firefighting tank, to make the facility fully operational. Hydrogen for Heritage, a green transport vision. The tested coach is part of the Hydrogen for Heritage initiative, under which Indian Railways plans to deploy 35 hydrogen-powered trains on heritage and hill routes. Each train will cost around 80 Indian rupees crore, with an additional 70 Indian rupees crore earmarked for ground infrastructure per route. While the running costs of hydrogen-powered trains are currently high, they are expected to fall as scale and efficiency improve. The main appeal of hydrogen lies in its zero-carbon emissions, aligning with India's green energy goals. India's hydrogen ambitions are not limited to the rail sector. In 2024, Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri presented a hydrogen-fueled bus, developed by Indian Oil, to Bhutan's Prime Minister during his visit, underscoring India's broader commitment to clean mobility.